and hello, I am Stelios Matsendidis, and on live link from As Far As Possible we have Stalo Mitidou. I mean from afar in the country, on the mountains, in the valleys, she is. Whereas I am in the constantly regulated conditions of the CYBC.
The bats are asleep. As they hang upside down from a tree branch, in a sudden move, one of them sits the right side up on the branch. Another bat on another branch sees her and nudges her friend, saying, "Stalo, come on, wake up. Stelios has fainted."
Brrr, such a laugh. I'm cool as a cucumber. Go find Count Dracula, little girl. You have so many things in common. So, where were we?
We will having experimenting with us today.
Right. We will have experimenting with us today.
Rafaela.
Panayotis.
Petria.
And on this side,
Γιώργος.
Panayota.
Michalis.
from the Larnaca district, Xylotimbu High School.
In Xylotimbu, the illuminant. There's nothing you can't see. Yay!
Back to my usual attitude. Back to Stalo, who from the heroic village of Mammari in the Nicosia district, she will be delivering to us the question of the day.
How can bats fly so quickly while at the same time they find their orientation in complete darkness? Why? Oh, why?
Calm down, Stalo dearest. If you stay with us till the end, we'll have the answer for you. If you are equipped with a basic amount of brain. From telecommunications to biomedicine, driving force, compassion for the unborn human, ultrasound frequencies, invisible microbubbles, and smart drugs.
In our ingredients today, there's something that's considered not so harmless.
It is therefore very important to have an adult assistant for this experiment.
A parent or your teacher, or better still, your most beloved presenter, Stelios Matsendidis. What else?
A piece of thin dark colored cloth.
We will need a piece of paper sprayed with fluorescent acrylic paint.
In order to reflect back ultraviolet light.
A UV protection lotion.
2 pieces of cardboard, stencil, and a pair of scissors.
And a stapler.
An ultraviolet lamp.
Is that all?
You don't think that's enough?
Oh, okay. Get ready to tell me what you will need me for after you admire me in the next shot. Stalo Mitidou will have the dummy part, and in a special appearance, Professor Kostas Pitris will be playing himself. Stelios Matsendidis will be starring, of course. Let's take a leap into the air.
Who's Kostas Pitris?
That's a good question. At present, Kostas Pitris is a professor at the University of Cyprus in biomedical technology. This adventure, if you like, with research and technology began years ago when I was still at high school. It began as an interest in electronics. I designed and manufactured small radios, and then moved on to radio transmitters. Okay, the transmitters were fairly short range, and of course broadcasting radio waves was illegal at the time, but I made these transmitters and broadcast at a range of 1 kilometer or so. And I broadcast anything I wanted to. I ended up studying at the University of Texas in Austin. a very good university in the area of engineering. I started taking general lessons and then specialized in telecommunications. And it was then that I came into contact with lasers. There was a biomedical optics laboratory, and I asked them to take me on one of their research programs. They gave me a small part of it to work on, which dealt with using lasers to detect cervical cancer. This was very interesting for me, as I had the chance to work on the technical side. I myself made the device, but also on its use on patients. My PhD was on imaging technology, which would give us 3D tissue images